Peabody faculty really enter into their research with great passion and curiosity. Peabody is incredibly unique because of the abundance of research activity that is occurring here on campus and the extent to which our faculty are really engaged with research. So I think the most important thing for students to really understand is they are engaging with faculty who are creating the knowledge base and the evidence base. They're not going to read about it in other people's textbooks or in other people's papers and articles. They're really going to have the opportunity to interact one-on-one with those that are in the field creating the evidence base. And the second thing that I think is so unique for our students is the breadth and the diversity of research that happens here. Of course, we have deep partnerships with the field. We have a research practice partnership with Metropolitan Nashville Public Schools as an example. We have a learning incubator that is working on developing and testing out new technologies for education. Our faculty are very committed to understanding what we know and where are the gaps in what we know, and helping students become learners and interpreting research and evidence. So when they go into their fields of practice, they have a lens to really analyze what works and why and what doesn't work, and bring that lens into their careers.